Need quick tips and tricks about making money online? They're here. Making money online today is simpler than ever due to so many people doing business on the internet. At one time, consumers were reluctant to shop online, but now it is much safer and people are warming up to the idea of giving credit card information online. If you would like to make money online and in search of good tips on how to do so, then continue watching below. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. Flip domain names for quick cash. In fact, it could be quite lucrative. There is a lot of trial and error that you will need to experience. Use websites such as Google AdSense in order to know keywords that are popular. Buy domains that are acronyms. Search out website URLs that have a good chance to profit you. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject, put your knowledge to work for you. There are many companies, such as About.com, that will pay you for your knowledge. Most of these sites do require you to write a certain number of videos each month, however, this is a fantastic way to bump up your earnings. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. Don't ever pay for the privilege of making money online. Legitimate companies won't require you to pay them to work for them. This is a warning sign that they may be trying to scam you. Steer clear of these businesses. As stated in the above video, more and more people are making money online today because consumers are less afraid of shopping on the internet. Now that you have great tips to follow, you can get a piece of the internet money-making action. Keep these ideas in your head as you constantly seek new ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.